Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are excited to guide you through the step-by-step process of redacting sensitive information from documents generated by ChatGPT. To accomplish this, we will be using the powerful combination of PDF.co and Zapier. As you know, the text generated by ChatGPT can sometimes include confidential information that must be protected. To help you better understand and follow along, we have provided a link to the full tutorial in the description box below. Feel free to explore PDF.co for additional information and resources. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start by opening your Zapier account and create a Zap. Let's proceed to the action step and select the ChatGPT app. Once you have selected the app, you will need to enter the conversation option to send a message to OpenAI and generate a completion. Next, we need to connect your ChatGPT account to Zapier. This process will grant Zapier access to your ChatGPT account and authorize it for use. Now let's set up the ChatGPT configuration. First, enter the text command to generate a document with sensitive information. This command will instruct ChatGPT to generate a document that contains sensitive information that needs to be protected. Next, set up the parameter values, such as username, assistant instructions, and model. In this demo, we will use the default values, but you can customize these settings to suit your specific needs. Then add a unique value for the memory key to allow the assistant to continue the conversation from the previous message. This step will ensure that ChatGPT can maintain context and provide accurate responses to your queries. Once the configuration is set up, proceed to test the action by sending a request to ChatGPT and generating a document that contains sensitive information. ChatGPT has generated a document containing sensitive information. We can now proceed to add another application and convert the document into a PDF format and redact sensitive information from the PDF document. For this step, we will incorporate the PDF.co application and select the HTML to PDF converter option. This will enable us to convert the document that was generated by ChatGPT into a PDF format. Now let's connect the PDF.co account to Zapier by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. First, we will input the assistant response message that contains the document generated by ChatGPT. Next, you can set up the parameters for page orientation, page size, margins, etc. For this demonstration, we will use the default parameter values provided by PDF.co. Lastly, provide a name for the generated PDF file. Once we have configured the settings, we can proceed to test the action of converting the document generated by ChatGPT into a PDF format. The test was successful, and the document generated by ChatGPT has been converted into a PDF format. Please copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the resulting PDF document. Here's the resulting PDF document that was converted from the document generated by ChatGPT. Now that we have successfully converted the document generated by ChatGPT into a PDF format, we can proceed to incorporate another application to redact any sensitive information that might be present in the PDF document. For the last step, we will include another application and select PDF.co. And choose the Custom API Call option. This will allow us to use an API endpoint to redact sensitive information from PDF document. Let's set up the custom API call configuration. Enter the PDF delete text endpoint to redact sensitive information from the PDF document. Input the output URL from the PDF.co HTML to PDF converter that was used to generate the PDF document. Add the JSON code containing the search string for the sensitive information that needs to be redacted, the replacement limit, and the profiles to use for the patch and color of the redacted information. After setting up the configuration, let's test the action to send a request to PDF.co and redact sensitive information from the PDF document. PDF.co has processed our request successfully and returned a temporary URL containing the redacted PDF document with sensitive information removed. To view the output, please copy the URL provided and paste it into your browser. Here's the resulting PDF document that we were able to redact sensitive information. Discover the power of PDF.co and explore its versatile features by checking out our comprehensive tutorials available on our website. For more insightful content and engaging demonstrations, head over to our YouTube channel. Don't miss out on any updates and be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon to stay informed about our latest video releases. Thank you for watching.